In this video, I'll show you how to get an OpenAI key in ChatGPT or OpenAI. So in order to go and find your API key, what you need to do is first open up an internet browser and you need to head over to the website platform.openai.com and then press enter. Now, this is going to be the same thing for both OpenAI and also ChatGPT. And what you'll need to do is first go and sign in to your account. So if you're not already signed in, just click on the login button in the top right-hand side, and you'll need to go and sign in to your ChatGPT account. If you don't already have an account, you can click on sign up, but I'm just going to press continue with Google. Once you're signed into your account, we're going to come over to this left-hand search box and then go and search for API keys and click on API keys. Now, you'll usually need to make sure your account is verified either via your email address or telephone number. And once your account's verified, you'll see this button here, create new secret key. So go ahead and click on this. You can then decide to go and give this a name. I'm just going to call it key. You can also go and select a project. So I'm just going to press default project and then click on create secret key. And as you can see, this is now our API key, and I can click on this copy button. And just bear in mind that once we've clicked on this done button, we're no longer going to be able to access this key. So make sure you've copied and you've saved this, and then you can press done. Now, once you finish, you can choose to go and delete your key, but you can't actually go and view the secret key again. All you can do is go and create a new secret key if you do lose access to this. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.